In this video, I'll show you how you can enable subtitles in Crunchyroll. Now, all you have to do is, let's say if you are playing an anime, so let's say for instance this particular anime, and you'd like to enable subtitles for it, all you have to do is when the anime is playing, simply click on this icon right here, okay? Select it, and then you should see this subtitles section. So you can choose any subtitle that is currently available. So depending on the audio language that you're using. So if I use Japanese, you'll see a couple of subtitles appear. So choose the one that you'd like to use. So let's say English. By default, you can select it. And then as the anime plays, you can now see your subtitles appear, as you can see. Now, another way that you can enable subtitles by default is by going to the settings. So all you have to do is click on your profile icon at the top right corner and then select settings. And then from here, choose preferences. And then you should see the option closed caption. So all you have to do is enable this, okay? So once you enable this, whenever you play any anime, subtitles will always appear. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.